channel. This is Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. Long time no see. I have some exciting things I want to share with you today, and I'm going to be kind of doing two looks. So one half is going to be one look and the other half is going to be another. And the reason I am doing that is because I was sent a very cool collection from the Hunger Games exhibition, and it comes with two different collections. So one collection is called The Capital, and it is pretty much based off of Effie, the character Effie, and then the other one is based off the character Katniss. So for each collection they sent an eyeshadow palette, 2 sets of lashes, 3 glitter liners, and 2 lip shades. So I figured in order to save a little bit of time, because I am about to pop and give birth any minute at this point, so I do want to share both looks, do something for both. But I'm going to do one side Effie and one side Katniss and let them battle it out. So of course, as you can imagine, the Capital comes with some fun bright colors, just like Effie wears in the movie. She has her fun playful blues and pinks. I always loved her makeup in the movies. I thought they were really fun and playful. These are the 3 glitter liner shades they sent for them. Here are the beautiful lip shades. These are going to be really pretty for the summertime. I'm very excited about these shades, actually. And of course, you gotta go big or go home with these large fluffy lashes that they have for her. For the Girl on Fire collection, it's definitely a bit more neutral tone, but still warm and fiery, which I really love. That's probably why I love this palette so much. The glitter liners that come from this remind me of like hot molten lava or something, but they're absolutely gorgeous. So excited to try those. For the lip shades, they sent some gorgeous nudes. And then her lashes are not that dramatic, but they are still full and beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's get started on the Capital side here. I've already pre-done most of my makeup, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in and do my eyes. Get a little primer on them. Got a little too much primer on them. Just dab a little bit over here. Go ahead and prime this side too. Alright, so for my eyes, first I'm going to take Bubbly here, and I'm going to apply that into my crease area. And then I'm going to go in with Caesar here and kind of layer over it a little bit towards the front of my lid, and then towards the back of my lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Effie here and apply it in the center. Then I'm going to take this fun blue liner. I'm just going to kind of go back over the pink areas, stab a little in there, kind of give myself a little halo. I'm going to take a little brush and just kind of dab back over it to spread it out a little bit so it's not all caked up. I'm gonna go back with Bubbly. I'm just gonna take it on my lower lash line in the front. And then we're gonna go back with Caesar on the outer. There's the eye for that one. Glittery and pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna add some big, beautiful lashes. Not sure which one I prefer to do. Maybe this one, I'm thinking. I think we may go with this pair. So now we're gonna put on our lashes. Or lash, should I say. I hope these don't look silly on me because I don't usually typically wear lashes this long or big just because my eyes are kind of small and I feel like I'm gonna look a little goofy. But we shall get dramatic with it. Alright, lash on. They're big, but they're still like really fun and like pretty, so cool. So that eye is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Which lip color? I'm thinking orange or pink. They'd both be really pretty with this. This is a hard decision. I really like both of these. I don't know. They both look really like they'd be amazing. We'll go with I think we're gonna go with pink because I feel like it's more Effie-esque than anything. So this shade is Capital. We're just gonna do this on half of it. Gorgeous, right? Love it. Okay, so now that we've done the capital side, we're gonna move on to the Girl on Fire side and create a look for it. So I'm just thinking I was going to do more of a smoky eye, and then we're going to start off with Buttercup here and the crease. Gosh, I'm in pregnancy brain, I can't even think today. Okay, so we're gonna do Buttercup in the crease. Then we're gonna go back below it with Tigress, or Tigris. I can't pronounce things right now. And kind of hit the lid and work our way back into the crease. I'm also going to take it down here and on the lower lash line. And then we're going to take Cena, this shimmery gold shade, and do our inner corner of our eye. Give it a little glow and shimmer. Then we're going to take, I'm going to use the Embers, is that the right one? Yeah, Embers glitter liner, and I'm going to kind of do the same thing that I did to this side and just add this to the center of the lid. I'm gonna dab this around on the lid. And then to give it a little more pizzazz, I am going to take the gold one, which is Cena, and add it into the center of Embers. Just like a little bit though. And then I'm gonna blend it out, that way it kind of blends in. All right, now for the lash that I'm gonna use for that, I think I'm gonna go with the more natural looking one. Really like this one. It's more of a everyday eye lash, so it is really dainty, but it's also enough drama for daytime look for sure. So for then my lips, I'm going to put on Katniss, put a little liner on, and then we'll add that color on. And there's my girl on fireside. Okay, and that is both sides. So which side is your favorite? Are you the Capital fan or are you the Girl on Fire fan? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time trying to make both of these looks. Love the collection from Hunger Games. I thought this was a really cool collaboration that they did with LA Splash. And you can see the exhibition, or actually you may not be able to see the exhibition at the moment because of this whole coronavirus issue, but it was at the MGM Graham, and I believe they have shut down the strip as of now, so you may not be able to see the exhibition. But if you do want to check out some of the products that I just used here, you can go to the HungerGamesExhibition.com /shop, and it will give you all the products that I just used here. Hopefully they'll extend the dates for it, and then you'll be able to catch it if you do live out in the Vegas area or be traveling there later on down the road. But if all fails, definitely get the check out the collection, the makeup collection, and try some of these fun looks yourself at home. Like I said, I had a great time making them. So if you guys like this video, hit thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. You can catch me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook at Pumps and Pouts. I'm getting ready to have this baby soon, so you guys might not see me as much as possible, but I am going to be trying to, work my way back into things once me and baby Axel get ourselves adjusted here at home. But I'm glad to finally be able to show my face at least at some point. It's been a rocky little road down the pregnancy lane, but I am happy I'm almost at the finish line. I get my sweet little baby out of it, and everything's all good. So we'll be back and ready to roll soon. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.